Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Audi S3 vs Hyundai i30N full comparison. Follow along as we break down key differences in performance, interior comfort, and real-world costs so you can pick the right hot hatch. I will explain engine character, handling trade-offs, tech and cargo practicality, and typical maintenance expectations. Stay tuned for clear impressions and quick tips to help you choose between spirited European refinement and raw, value-driven performance. Here we compare acceleration, chassis tuning, and driving dynamics so you know what to expect on road or track. The S3 offers composed all-wheel grip and smooth turbo response, while the i30N trades some refinement for sharper steering and more aggressive throttle mapping. We'll cover braking performance, suspension setup, and how each car behaves under spirited driving. Use these notes to match the car to your driving style. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more comparisons. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use. They save time on busy weekends and fit neatly in most trunks after a grocery run. Check the description for the link and other deals. It helps the channel if you pick one up. Now let's get back to the video. Inside, we compare fit, finish, seating comfort, and cargo practicality to see how each car handles real life. The Audi favors higher-end materials, a calm cabin, and refined controls, while the i30N focuses on bolstering, driver engagement, and sensible storage for daily errands. I will note infotainment responsiveness, visibility, and how easy each car is to live with week to week so you get a clear sense of practicality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.